Hello everyone, Shwmai. At the heart of the Cardiff Science Festival is the belief that science is for everyone and that everyone can do science. We at Cardiff Council applaud that belief and welcome the festival's efforts to bring science to the city in a highly accessible and fun way. Enthusing and engaging children from their earliest years in science, technology, engineering and mathematics is now more important than ever. And that's why, as leader of Cardiff Council, I'm delighted to have the opportunity to express our support for the Cardiff Science Festival. This year, quite clearly, the festival is online rather than throughout our city's libraries, museums, cafes and streets. But it promises it to be just as exciting. An inspiring programme of virtual STEM events have been put together in the face of enormous challenges presented by the pandemic. And can I congratulate the festival's dedicated volunteers and organisers and partners for making that possible. The COVID-19 crisis has shown us that STEM skills are more important now than ever. We've witnessed the global STEM community of critical thinkers and innovators harness technology and science to address the serious issues we are faced with. Rebuilding our economy post-COVID will require innovative thinking, and STEM education is critical to our success in fighting disease and creating a better, safer and cleaner world for future generations. Cardiff, of course, is well known as a leading hub of science research. Our universities are world-leading institutions at the cutting edge of research and innovation, and there is also tremendous talent in schools throughout the city. The Cardiff Science Festival enables our younger citizens to learn something new from the best science communicators in Cardiff. And we need to give children of all ages and from every background the opportunity to fulfil their STEM potential. And the Cardiff Science Festival aims to do just that, encouraging our young people to experiment, make mistakes, to question, to learn from experiences and to find solutions. The festival's captivating programme of online events encourages curiosity and makes learning fun. By providing opportunities for our young people, talents are discovered and new passions found. Our future innovators, scientists, engineers and entrepreneurs are inspired. We know that hands-on active learning is key to raising the academic success levels of our young people, preparing them with the right growth mindset to adapt and innovate in this rapidly evolving world. So I urge you to check out the events that are on offer this year and have fun with STEM. Thank you for listening. Diolch am wrando.